Hey everyone, I'm Hollis, and welcome back to Holly's Canviora. Today's challenge is crazy simple, and maybe a little magical. Guess what? I'm using only 2 gouache colors to create this entire night landscape. Yep, just 2. For the sky, I'm mixing ultramarine blue with a little white. Watch how the dark blue slowly melts into a soft, glowing night sky. It's so satisfying. Now for the mountains, I'm switching to Prussian blue. Again, mixed with white. That's it. No secret colors hiding anywhere. I promise. And now comes my favorite part. Tiny white stars and a bright little crescent moon. Just a few dots. And boom. Suddenly it looks like the mountains are sleeping under a peaceful night sky. The funniest part? People think this painting takes forever. But nope. You can finish this beautiful artwork in just 2 minutes. So if you ever thought painting was difficult, today I'm here to prove you wrong. Grab 2 colors, a brush, and let's make something amazing together. If this little painting made you smile, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Hollis Canviora family. I'm Hollis, and I'll see you in the next simple painting adventure. Bye, and keep creating.